Want to learn how to use the Microsoft Teams calendar? In this guide, I'll show you how to view your schedule, change calendar views, create meetings, respond to invitations, and manage your events. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and select Calendar from the left side of the app. Your calendar can show meetings and events scheduled through Teams, Outlook, and Exchange, depending on your account. By default, Teams can show your work week, but you can switch between day, work week, week, and month views. Select the current view at the top of the calendar and choose the layout that works best for you. To check another date, use the calendar controls near the top of the screen. You can move forward or backward through your schedule, select a specific month, or choose today to quickly return to the current date. To schedule a new meeting, select New Event or New Meeting, depending on your Teams version. Add a title, date, time, and the people you want to invite. Then add any extra details and save or send the meeting invitation. You can also add a description, location, and recurring schedule when those options are available. For a Teams meeting, make sure the online meeting option is enabled when required. The exact options can vary depending on your Microsoft account and organization settings. When someone invites you to a meeting, open the event in your calendar and choose RSVP. You can accept, decline, or mark the invitation as tentative. For recurring meetings, Teams can also let you respond to just one occurrence or the entire series. When it's time to attend, open the meeting from your calendar and select Join. Before entering, check your microphone and camera, then select Join Now. Teams meetings support audio, video, and screen sharing. If your calendar gets busy, use the filter option to control which types of events appear. This can make it easier to focus on the meetings or schedules that matter most. Teams also provides different timescale options for adjusting how much detail you see. You can also share your calendar with people in your organization. Open the calendar, select More Options, then Share. Choose the person and decide whether they can see when you're busy, view more details, edit your calendar, or have delegate access. And that's how to use the Microsoft Teams calendar. You can view your schedule, switch calendar layouts, create meetings, respond to invitations, join events, filter your schedule, and share calendar access. So once you get familiar with these tools, managing your team's schedule becomes much easier.